Welcome, this is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and today we're going to take this pattern right here. This is pattern 8730, and we are going to, we're going to change it up a lot. Let me copy it, paste it over here with our template, kind of shove it off to the side. I think we're going to put the diamond thing here right in the middle. We're going to attach that to a new layer. Instead of the black, I'm going to use red just because it's easy, and if I want to change the color later, that will also be easy. So let's put our diamond here, and then it skips a space and it does another one. So, well, let's make it go all the way to the top. Skips one. Skips one. So the template that we're using is twice the number of strings as the original, but we're not exactly doubling it per se. Right. So I don't have to actually fill in quite all the strings. So let's just do one side here. Off to the side. So it looks to me like we only need one strand for this red to make all these little diamonds. It's easy enough. But obviously we're making it bigger. I'm going to make it different. If it had been just doubled, you would get like a red triangle on those little parts right there, which that would still have looked pretty cool. In fact, I think it kind of would look like how you would expect it to look if it was doubled, I guess. But like, so this spot here, right, is the dot for this. I'm thinking we can do this with it. Right? So let's kind of fill this in all the way up. So my thought was, what if that dot was like the edge of a diamond that was off to the side? So this would work like this. This would come in, there'd be two strings. Comes over this way, and this one comes over this way. And then it becomes this little diamond. Like that. Not too difficult. So what I'm getting from this is that can be a kind of a straight row. This can be a straight row. This might actually be a very easy bracelet to make. Or, yeah. Like the whole pattern might actually be super, super simple. Just a matter of knowing when to tie the knot and when to tie the other string. Because it's not really a bunch of zigzags. So this could be really super beginner friendly. Wouldn't that be awesome? Heck yeah. So there we go. There's our pieces there. Let's use this off-white as the other color. So this is the select all tool. I'm going to select all of the blues, then go to my paint tool. I've already got the color. What I need to do though is to change this to fill whole selection. All the rest gets white. Go back to the similar stuff again. Let's move this center line over. And now we can select our top quarter that we filled in, use our guidelines. The guidelines tell me, I'm seriously, like, that is such an easier way of doing this. Yeah, I can't even imagine not doing it that way anymore. There we go. Flips that over. I have to get the select tool so I can anchor it, because in the flip tool, it's just ready to flip again. Like, that's not helpful. Okay, copy and paste. Flip tool, come down to the horizontal line, hit that, and anchor. We can go back to our layers, hide away our example one. And look at that. Wow. Bracelet came out to be something completely new and different. It's just patchwork of all these little dots. I'm pretty sure this is going to be like easy mode, right? So yeah, we'll see when I make it tomorrow. I'll let you know how that goes. Before I leave, I want to thank my Patreon supporters and my YouTube members for making this possible. I'm obviously very excited and very dedicated to this whole thing, but it's with their help that makes it so that way I can actually get the string and produce all these things for you guys. So thank you guys once again. I'm really excited. I think that's going to be a cool looking bracelet. So, okay. Thanks for hanging out this long. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.